Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Hashir Ayas. I am the student of Rehan School, Islamabad, affiliate campus at foundation level. So, yeah, this is my TEDx on the topic of moving forward by Jannat Ali. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I want to share my review of the inspiring TEDx talk Moving Forward by Jannat Ali. In this motivational talk, Jannat Ali explained that life is full of challenges, setbacks, and unaccepted difficulties. But what matters most is our ability to keep moving forward despite them. Her message reminds us that progress is not about never failing, it is about rising every time we fail. One of the key lessons from her talk is that failure should not be seen as the end of the journey. Instead, failure is a teacher that helps us grow, learn, and improve. Every mistake carries a lesson that can make us stronger and wiser. Jannat also emphasizes that the importance of resilience in maintaining success really happens instantly. It requires persistence. It requires persistence. So determination and the willingness to continue even when progress feels slow. Another powerful message from the talk is that moving forward sometimes means letting go of fear, self doubt, past mistakes, and negative options from others. This talk reminds us that every successful person has faced obstacles, but what separates them is their decision to keep going instead of giving up. In conclusion, moving forward is a powerful reminder that growth and success belong to those who continue moving ahead no matter how difficult the journey becomes. Thank you. So, viewer, this is my TEDx on the topic of moving forward by Jannat Ali. So, this is successfully done. So, Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan, Zindabad.